What is going on? My name is AlTone and this is the Veyfiy modern table lamp. So this is a very nice little table lamp to use in your bedroom, your office, or wherever a lamp would be beneficial. What comes in the box is the lamp stand and the glass lampshade, which is easy to install. And even though it's a glass lamp stand, it is packaged very well, so you should receive it without damage. It does require a bulb that is less than 40 watts, which is not included, and it has a touch control, simply on and off. So just touch the base or the neck and the lamp will turn on or off. And it's a very nice lamp. We're probably going to be using it in our extra bedroom, but it looks really great. It's a nice little glass lamp, and with the low wattage, it's a whole lot better in case we have our nephews around who like to sleep with the light on. They can sleep with this lamp on with a low wattage versus using the room lights in the room and save us a little bit of energy. You might want to check out Veyfy's store because they do have so many other lighting options available. So I hope this helped you in some way. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.